When it's your turn to chair the committee, plan the potluck, organize conferences, or coordinate parents and volunteers, don't stress about getting people together. Signup makes it easy. Signup is the easiest way for participants, parents, and volunteers to sign up, show up, or pitch in with a few clicks from any device. No passwords required. Automated confirmation and reminder messages help folks remember their appointments, assignments, and what to bring. This short video will help you organize your first sign-up. To get started, register a free account at Signup.com, then select Create New Sign-up from the dashboard. The first step is to share some basic information. First, select your sign-up kind. Single and multiple day sign-ups are perfect for planning events, conferences, volunteer calendars, tournaments, fundraisers, meal circles, and more. No-date sign-ups are ideal for wish lists, giving trees, and volunteer interest forms. For collecting money only, you'll need to use a large screen device like an iPad or computer, and select Collect Money and Fees Only. Next, select the category that best describes your activity. Type the name of the sign-up in the next box. The sign-up name will show in the subject line of all emails sent from this sign-up. I'm organizing the hospitality team for our monthly meeting. And add a welcome message here that participants will see at the top of your sign-up. The location will be sent on all confirmation and reminder emails. Enter a physical address or Zoom or map link. You can customize certain functions. For example, check these boxes which allow participants to share the sign-up link with others, see who else has signed up, and to enable the swap feature or designate a 24-hour clock. And premium subscribers can enable the waitlist notification. Next, enter the organizer name, title, and phone number to share with participants. The next section allows you to request additional information from participants when they sign up, like a child's name or t-shirt size, emergency contact, or any custom question. If you need additional fields, please upgrade to our premium service from a large screen device. And premium subscribers can also choose to limit the number of spots each participant can sign up for. Click Next. And click Create New Spot to add your first item. A spot can be anything you might ask someone to do, an appointment to attend, or something to bring. You'll be able to indicate how many people can sign up, the date and time you need them, and any extra details such as orientation instructions, map, or meeting links. In this example, I would like 2 people to help set up at 3 p.m. I'll click Add Another and ask for 2 people to bring 2 dozen cookies each. Continue adding items until everything on your list is included. If items require unique details, add them individually after you complete steps 2 and 3 for this batch. If you are organizing an activity requiring shifts or meeting appointment spots, click the Add Shifts button here to quickly create all your spots for your first day. In step 2, select the date or dates of your event here on the calendar. Since my meeting happens every month, I'm choosing the recurring option, and then I'll choose Thursday of every 4 weeks for the next 6 months. Step 3 is for adding any extra details that are common across all the spots in this batch, like where to park, what to wear, or a link to documents like orientation materials, videos, online meetings, or maps. These details will be included in the automated confirmation and reminder messages sent to participants. Click Save. You will see the list view of all the spots you just created. You can always add more spots by clicking Create a New Spot, or you can view, copy, delete, or lock the day from this screen. For each individual spot, you can make changes with Edit, give someone an assignment, or add a comment. The next step is to add a theme. Choose an image from the list provided, or you can use your logo by uploading it. Last, select a background. Now is a good time to preview the sign-up to see how it will look for your potential participants. Once you click Next on the Theme tab, your sign-up setup is complete. The last screen of the planning wizard includes your invitation options. Here you can invite folks to sign up using a direct email invitation, a shareable link to post in your own messages, social media links, or a button on your website. We'll even send you a QR code to your sign-up that you can post or print. You'll be pleased at how quickly your participants, parents, or volunteers sign up, and how automated reminders help them show up and keep their commitments. Do you need an ad-free experience or extra planning power? If so, our premium service is for you. You can add assistant organizers, waivers, participant check-in, or additional registration fields and more. We know you're busy. It's easy to manage your sign-up on the go. Simply log in to access your SignUps organizer view on any device. From the dashboard, click the Signup title to make edits, invite more people, or see who's coming. With Signup.com, your activities are sure to be a success. If you have any questions, let us know by clicking the Help button in the upper right. Our Idea Center has fun, free printables and planning tips to help along the way. Get started today at Signup, the easiest way to bring people together for everything you organize.